Hey guys, what's up? We're back, and today we are going to be doing the taillights for the King Ranch. So these just came in. It's going to be a short little install video. It's only 4 bolts and plugging in. Then I'll test it out and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so pretty straightforward. I'm just going to be taking these two off here. I just unplugged the battery. And just like that. Should just be able to pop and pull this out. There we go. Get the first guy off, and now we have it's a little cold, so I'm just gonna take this off completely. We're all off. I'm gonna grab this guy, make sure it fits right. Going up against here. I'm going to plug these in to the corresponding plugs. Two here. We are in. It's all good to go. Just gonna push these in the right spots. Make sure I'm not crushing either of these plugs. Just like that, we're on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our 2 screws back in. We'll be done. And there is a look at that one. Looks nuts. There's the old. There's the new, there's both of them side by side. So I'm gonna go ahead, take off the other side, put this guy in here, and it'll be all good. I'll show you how it looks. Just like that, new one on here, new one on here. Here's a close look at kind of what it looks like on the inside. And the old one's in the box. Here's what it looks like with both ones on. Got the light bulbs here, take those, put those in the box. Close up the tailgate, and we'll get a good look at what it looks like. And this is what she looks like, all finished. So we got this one on here, that one on there. And then we're just gonna test out how they look. But give you guys a little side profile here. Side view of it. They look killer. Super good. Love the way that those came out. And yeah, we'll turn the lights on, see how they turn. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you lock it. Comes on like that. Unlocks it, comes on like that, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when we turn, press the brake and stuff. Alright, Tom's in the car, gonna turn the car on, now we're gonna see what it looks like when it powers on. Is it on? So we've got left signal not working, and then try the right signal. This is what the right signal looks like. So I think I've tripped a fuse on this left one, so I'm gonna work on the left one. That one working, and then you can try pressing the brakes now. The brakes work on that side, brakes don't want to work on this side. So I've got to figure this one out, because this wiring is being a little bit weird. So I'll figure this out, and then we'll get a proper look at it. It's actually been a couple days since I was last working on the F-150 here, and so I got this plug, because the plug on the other one is, like on the car right now, is broken. So I think that's why our lights aren't working, our tail lights. So I'm gonna go ahead, it's a quick repair, maybe it might take me 5-10 minutes, and then we'll see if that's a problem, and if it is, great. If not, then we'll have to dig a little bit further. But I'm thinking that's what it is, because it has a broken plug on it, and it's directly related to it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so it's probably just a connecting issue. So I'm just gonna go ahead, do that, and then we'll test it out. Alright, I just disconnected the batteries, and I got the top bolt off here. Now we're gonna work on the second one. We're off here, and then this guy here is our broken one. So as you can see here, we're broken on the side. It looks like it might be okay, but it's definitely not ideal. And then it looks like we have a little break up here. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut this out, and then we're gonna put our new one on. Yeah, so as you can see, on top of it being broken here on the side, we also have some breaks in the sides here. So I'm gonna cut it back to about right here, make sure I know where they connect. I'm gonna hook the new one up. And just like that, we are good. Kind of hard to see it right now because I don't have a light on it, but we have our shrink wrap and our 3 connections. So got some lighters here, just gonna warm it up, get them on. So for some reason, all my audio is gone on this. I think my microphone wasn't plugged in, so we're just gonna vibe out and enjoy the music. Alright, and just like that, we are done the taillights. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, stay along for more content. And yeah, thanks.